Oh hey, what's going on? Robbie Blanchard here, and I'm the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the world. I'm also a ClickBank Platinum member, as you can see from this really fancy plaque, and I've been able to generate over $1.8 million this year in revenue alone on ClickBank. Now, I've been able to do this because I use a 3-step system for the past 3 years. It has made me really successful with this program, and I want to show you how to do it too. So if you register for my free training today by clicking that link above or in the description below, I'm going to show you on this training how to generate big commissions each and every day. Why you don't need to own a product, you don't need to have a Shopify store, you don't need to have an email list to be successful at it, and most importantly, you don't need to have any experience whatsoever as well. So all you need to have is a ClickBank account, a Facebook account, and you need to have maybe $10 to spend per day, and you can qualify for this training and be successful, right? So go ahead and click that link above or in the description, register for the free training today, and I can't wait to help you out.